Today we're going to take a look at how to block sand a panel that has a lot of body lines and curves. One thing we'll be focusing on is, if you notice, the width here as compared to here. This is a little bit skinnier and the body line is a little bit sharper. So we're going to have to bring this body line right here down just a little bit and round it off. Let me show you how we'll do that. First we'll give it a light coat of spray bomb black. And let that dry. We'll start by getting this area completely flat using 120, 150, or 180. When block sanding, you block sand like this, then like this, and even around in circles, as long as you cancel those circles out. Once you're sure this area is straight, you'll throw a piece of tape exactly where you want the body line. And I think that looks pretty good. If you notice, the tape is a little bit lower than the body line we had before. That's going to widen this. But this tape is exactly where it needs to be this time. When I did the filler, it was off a little bit. Here's a close-up, and we'll sand this nice and flat right up to that tape line. This is a little bit too sharp right now and needs to be rounded off like the other side. Now we'll pull the tape. The body line will be a little bit sharp right now, but we'll try to round it off to match the other side. Here's a close-up of that. Now we'll focus on this top body line. Once the tape is laid down for the top body line, you can just sand this top part right down to that edge. This was all pretty straight, so we'll block that with a little rubber hand block, 5-inch, same grit. We won't know what this will look like until we prime it. The primer will tell. Before we prime it again, we had a couple minor imperfections. that we fixed up with some Bondo, glazing, and spot putty. And that's it. I think the lines look a lot better, and at this point we can finish sand and paint, or even finish sand with a block like this if needed. I hope you enjoyed this video on some block sanding tips that can really help out. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.